Ciao Tesla people, I installed the software update 2025.14.6 just now, and I wanted to check if the bug that I found last year is still on. They didn't fix it. My guess is they didn't fix it. Okay, so the bug is the following. In the control panel of the air conditioning, if you pull up this panel and then you try to pull up the wipers panel, it doesn't show up, but the wipers panel is underneath. This happens even if you split the screen like this. Okay, so you see the wipers panel is here. So let me pull it up again. If I pull up the control of the air conditioning, it's up. But if I want to check the wipers control, it's not there. Okay, but it's behind. So what should happen is the following. I pull up the control of the air conditioning, then I press the wipers. This should go down and this should show up. So, bug is still there. Tesla didn't fix it. If you checked out this video, please share it online on Twitter or something and tag Tesla so they can fix this issue. This is a typical bug of UI, pull down one while you open another one. That's a typical bug. Anyway, check out my Tesla referral. The link is in the description. You can get a discount if you buy Tesla. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.